Let's talk about low budget versus high quality YouTube ads, and I will try to keep this video as short as possible. The problem with high quality YouTube ads. They do have their advantages, so they're not bad in general. They do have their advantages, like for example, high quality YouTube ads build more trust, which means you can sell them more easily, or it creates a better branding and so on. But the big disadvantage is that it simply takes way more time and effort to create a high quality YouTube ad than it takes to create, for example, a low budget YouTube ad. And the quality of the YouTube ad is not the key to success. Perfect sound, perfect editing, and perfect After Effects won't magically make a bad ad profitable. So the quality, the production value of the ad is not the key to success. Good quality, like a good production value, is only a bonus that can make an already good ad into a great ad. And I've already told you that the quality, the production value is not the key to success. So what is the most important aspect? The most important aspect of your ad is the message, the stuff you're actually saying in the ad. And the normal structure of the message is like at the beginning you have the hook, then you transition into the body of the ad, and then at the end there's the CTA, the call to action, the action you want the viewer to do. And the goal of the hook is to grab the attention of the target audience and bring the rest, so everyone that is not in your target audience, to skip the ad. That's like the main goal of the hook. Grab the attention of the target audience, but only the attention of the target audience, and then bring everyone else that is not in your target audience to skip, because if they skip in the first roundabout 30 seconds, you don't have to pay for them. So you want to filter them out. It's in your best interest. And then the body, the goal of the body is to explain what you're offering. This is like the main part of the ad. Here you get your point across, but you're only talking about the next step. So you're not talking about your product, which is probably the last step of your funnel, them buying your product. That's the last step. You're only talking about the next step. It's like a staircase. You go from one step to the next step, to the next step, to the next step. But you don't go from the first step to the last step. So in the ad, which is the first step of your sales process, you don't talk about your product, which is the last step. You only talk about the next step, the step they land on when they click on your ad. So you only talk about maybe your free training video, so your VSL, or you talk about your free webinar, or you talk about the lead magnet that you're offering. You're only talking about the next step they get to when they click on your ad. You're not talking about the end goal, them buying your product, because that's way too early. There's just way too big of a step to go from the beginning to the end in like one step. And then the CTA, the goal here is to simply pitch the next step, but only the next step. You're not pitching them buying your product. You're only pitching the next step, which is maybe registering for the free training video, or registering for the free webinar, or maybe opting in to download the free lead magnet PDF. And these are like the three main parts of your ad. And the combination of these three parts is crucial to success. So this is the most important aspect, the combination from the hook with the body with the CTA. Like a good hook combined with a good body combined with a good CTA will make your ad successful. So if you found a great combination, most likely that ad is going to perform really well. And here's what most people do wrong, because to find a perfect combination, we first have to test lots of combinations. Like we have to test maybe 20 combinations to find one that is really, really great. And most people think from the beginning every ad has to be super professional and high quality. But such professional and high quality and high production value ads are super hard to produce, which means it takes ages to test lots of combinations. If you want to test 20 combinations, and every combination has to be filmed super professionally and high quality, this will take a super long time and it will be extremely expensive. So they're wasting a lot of time and a lot of money because it takes them way more time to create these ads, and it costs them way more money to create these ads. And most of these ads are probably not going to work. We have to test lots of ads, and only some of these ads that we test are actually winners that we keep on running. The rest is probably not that great, and we instantly pause them. So it's basically wasting money if you spend a lot to create an ad and then pause it because you've tested it and it doesn't perform that well. So the right way looks like this. The first step is to think of multiple combinations and ad scripts that you want to test. I've told you we have to test lots of ads and lots of ad combinations like hook, body, CTA combinations to find like a really good combination, to find a winner. So we have to think of multiple combinations and ad scripts that we want to test. And the problem most people have is that they're not that creative. They can't like write 20 ad scripts from the top of their head. But I have a solution for that. You can simply go to ytads.com, click on try for free and sign up. It takes 10 seconds. And once you're in the dashboard, we can search for a competitor, our niche, or a relevant keyword. In my case, I want to create a proven YouTube ad for a software company. So I'll search for Alex Becker because he also advertises his software company on YouTube. Then I click on ad spend descending to see the best ads first. This ad has spent $90,000 in ad spend. So this ad is basically proven to work. This is basically a winning ad because he wouldn't have spent $90,000 in ad spend if this ad hasn't generated him a positive ROI. So this ad is proven to work. I click on it. I see the full word-for-word transcript and some useful information, and then I click on generate own script. Then I paste in the landing page URL of our own software that we want to advertise. Click on generate own script. And now our YT Ads AI, fine-tuned for writing successful YouTube ads, has wrote us this YouTube ad script based on his proven YouTube ads framework. So this ad is a winning ad that was proven with more than $90,000 of ad spend, and we took this winning framework, merged it with our landing page's content, and then we get this basically already proven YouTube ad script that we can now edit a little bit. Let's say this is 30%, and then click on save or click on copy, send it to someone, and he can then record it for us. And we can run this basically already proven YouTube ad. Creating this ad basically took us 1 minute and maybe 30 seconds. And this is how you can create basically unlimited, already proven YouTube ad scripts to test. And the second step is to film these combinations or ad scripts super fast and easy. So you simply take your iPhone, make sure you have good lighting and you have good sound quality, maybe from your AirPods, or maybe you have like a small little attachment microphone that you can clip to your collar. And the goal is to film these combinations and ads that you created with YT ads as fast and as easy as possible. So you can go to step 3 as fast and as easy as possible, which is running the ads and then evaluating the performance. Which of these ads we have tested are winners and which of these ads we have tested are losers. And then we simply scale the winners, pause the losers. And in step 4, we can film the winners again, but this time in high quality. This is optional, but it is a great thing to do. So a quick little recap. So in step 1, we let YT ads write a lot of ad scripts for us. In step 2, we film these super fast and easy. In step 3, we run these ads and determine which of them are winners and which of them are losers. We pause the losers and we let the winners keep on running and maybe increase the budget a little bit. And in step 4, we can film the winners again, but this time in high quality. And then we basically have a split test and can like watch which of the versions is performing better. Is the low budget version of the winning ad performing better, or is the high budget version of the ad performing better that we just created? And then the result is that we found the winning combination with minimal time and effort simply because we filmed these ads as fast and as easy as possible, but in the end also have the advantage of a high quality ad simply because we took the ads that proved themselves to be winners and then filmed them again to have like this little split test, low budget version versus the high budget version. I hope this video answered your question, and in summary, simply start with low quality ads to test them as fast as possible, and after an ad is proven to be a winner, then you can invest the time and money to create a high quality, high production value ad to split test against the low quality version.